Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of USB key disconnecting and reconnecting again on Windows 10. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just go to the step 1, which is basically power plan. So you have to just type power plan in the search bar, and then you have to just go to the control panel of power plan, and at here you have to just click on change advanced power settings, and at here you have to just scroll down and go to the USB settings. Here it is, the USB settings. So at here you have to just double click on it, USB selective suspend settings, and at here you have to just disable both of these options. On battery, by default it is on enable. As you can see on my system it is enable, so you have to just disable it. If it is enable in your system, so you have to disable it as well. So by putting both of these options onto disable, click on apply, and then click on OK. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just move to second step, which is basically device manager. So you have to just type device manager in search bar, and then go to the device manager, and in device manager you have to just scroll down and go to the last option, universal serial bus controller, and you have to drag it down, and then you have to just check the USB root hub. Here it is, the third one is the USB root hub, so you have to just double click on it, and at here you have to go to the power management, and in power management you have to uncheck this option as well, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. As you can see, it is checked in my system, so I have to uncheck this option, same as you have to. So click on OK, and after this you have to just figure it out, your issue has been fixed or not. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just right click on it and click on uninstall this root hub driver. So when you click on uninstall device, and after uninstalling you have to just restart your PC, and after restarting your this root hub will be reinstalled and your issue will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.